Welcome to the training video for the world-class BD4066 Ride-On Automatic Scrubber. In this video, you will learn how to properly set up and operate the BD4066 scrubber, as well as its main selling features and some key target markets to focus on. The BD4066 Ride-On Automatic Scrubber was designed and developed to be a world-class, heavy-duty unit providing superior scrubbing power, incredible durability, and a long list of standard features. This unit, available with your choice of traditional wet lead-acid or maintenance-free AGM batteries, is durable and perfect for cleaning large spaces and a wide range of flooring types, including concrete flooring, ceramic tile, linoleum, and vinyl. The BD4066 features an automatic operation mode that will save you time and money when training staff. The interactive display allows the operator to see what is operating and make necessary adjustments while in operation. With heavy-duty thick-walled tanks, painted steel squeegee assembly, and a 5.5 gauge steel frame, the BD4066 can clean in tough environments. When you order a BD4066, you receive all the standard features to get the job done that most competitors make optional. Some of these features include a standard heavy-duty long-life battery pack, roll bar with amber safety strobe light, a brake wash mode, 2-speed selection switch, and much more. A dead man switch is featured on the seat, allowing operation only when the operator is seated. When your BD4066 arrives, you'll have to perform a few setup steps before you begin operation. To avoid battery drain during shipment, the BD4066 ships with the batteries disconnected. First, connect the batteries. The battery connector is on the center of the steering column. Second, attach the squeegee assembly to the unit. Set the assembly onto the squeegee mount and tighten the wing nuts to lock the blade into place. Attach the squeegee hose. Next, install the appropriate cleaning pad onto the pad holders provided. If the operator needs to change pads or brushes, remove the pad holder by turning the brush or pad holder clockwise and allowing it to drop off. New pads or brushes can then be attached to the unit. Once the pads have been placed on the holder, or if using disc brushes, attach them to the unit by centering the pad holder or brush on the brush deck. Turn the pad holder or brush counterclockwise. This will lock it into place. To ensure that the battery is fully charged, plug the battery connector to the charger using the adapter cable. Plug the external charger into an electrical outlet. Before operating the BD4066, ensure that the unit has been removed from the charger and that you have added the proper mix of water and chemical to the solution tank. Follow the dilution recommendations on the label of your cleaning chemical if you are not using a wall-mounted dosing system. Ensure that the speed is set to the desired level. The BD4066 offers 2 speed options and directions. Before cleaning the designated area, make sure you sweep the area first with a sweeper or broom. This ensures that the debris that could potentially damage the floor or the brush or pad during operation is removed. Ensure that the speed is set to the desired level. Set the solution level. If required, the brush pressure can be adjusted for tougher cleaning applications. Adjust the brush pressure knob on the right of the unit to the desired brush pressure. The BD4066 offers 3 possible modes of operation: automatic, manual, and brake wash. When the operation switch is moved to the right, the BD4066 is now in manual mode. This mode allows for double scrubbing harder to clean areas or for water recovery. To activate each function, set the solution switch to on. Lower the squeegee, lower the brush deck, turn on the vacuum. Finally, press down on the gas pedal. Pressing the operation mode switch to the left allows the operator to take advantage of the BD4066's automatic mode. Once automatic mode is turned on, the operator engages the gas pedal and the brush deck will lower and activate. Solution will be turned on and start to flow. The squeegee blade will lower and the vacuum will engage. Once cleaning is complete, or to move to another area after operation, press the operation switch back to the middle. The BD4066 will enter brake wash mode. This will raise the brush deck and turn off the brushes and solution. Leave the squeegee down and active for a few additional seconds, recovering any remaining solution on the floor. The squeegee blade will then raise automatically, leaving the vacuum on for another few seconds, removing excess solution in the vacuum line. To drain the recovery tank after operation, remove the drain hose on the back of the unit. Open the cap over an approved floor drain or area. In order to clean out any additional debris that may remain in the recovery tank, open the large evacuation cap on the rear of the unit over an approved floor drain or area. Rinse out the remaining debris. Drain any excess solution from the unit. Ensure that the solution control lever is set to have solution flowing or the tank will not drain. Then, remove the drain cap on the front of the unit over an approved floor drain or area. Tornado's BD4066 Ride-On Automatic Scrubber is perfect for use in the following environments: large warehouses, shipping facilities, manufacturing plants, schools and universities, healthcare facilities, government facilities, sporting facilities, and much more. Thank you for watching this training video on the BD4066. More information on this world-class scrubber can be found at www.tornadovac.com.